Yo, it's your boy Mike Makes Money, and I want to talk about my neighbor Alice today, and especially with the recent price explosion and going at the current prices being 14.69, going from around three to $4 to $5 in the past week, going all the way up to 15. That's almost a 3x, hitting an all-time high of 16.36, which is just insane, especially with the recent surge of Axie Infinity and other NFT video games. If you want to make money make by playing video games, I suggest that you check me out and hopefully drop a subscribe because I'm close to 200 subscribers right now. And the last time I talked about my neighbor Alice was maybe like 3 months ago, especially when this game was in the early stages. The prices were around maybe 30, about $20 when I was talking about my neighbor Alice, and it did have a recent drop because, as you know, a Bitcoin has recently gone from 60,000 to 30,000, but it seems that it's hitting a rebound. And I think with the crypto market, NFT video games were the ones that were still having massive gains, even though Bitcoin was falling while and other altcoins were falling. I'm really excited for cryptocurrency video games, and my neighbor Alice being inspired by Animal Crossing, which is a game that I actually played when I was younger. It is pretty addicting. So if my neighbor Alice can actually have somewhat of the success of Animal Crossing, I do think this game has a lot of potential. And I just want to talk about the land sale because recently they have been releasing a lot of stuff, and I think this is why this game has been surging in price. There's a lot of hype, and they're having a mobile wallet companion app, so maybe you're gonna be able to see check on your land with the mobile wallet, with the mobile application. And I do think they're coming out with a lot of new things that can make the game even better, and especially the land sale that just recently happened. They said they're releasing it on July 21st, which was a week ago, and that kind of makes sense, especially with this massive price surge. I do believe you have to stake your Chroma token and my neighbor Alice token to enter the land sale. And checking out the lands right there, right here, looking at Axie Infinity, being able to buy a $6 piece of land when it first came out, going and now it's worth around $7,000 from what they were saying. Even playing Axie Infinity, there are lands that are going for hundreds of thousands. So what does that mean for my neighbor Alice? This game is basically mostly centered around land, and there's I believe gonna be maybe around 7,000 lands. I could be mistaken, but that's from information that I remember a long time ago after reviewing this app. But this app is still updating, and the land is way more expensive. It could be important, but with there is not a lot of information on this game right now, so we are really in the early stages. And if this game does blow off, and when it comes out in 2022, um, don't know exactly when this game is supposed to come out, but with many other games, they say that they're going to come out on one day, but if they have bugs or glitches, then they might have to set it back. So I never really get too excited when the game says that they're going to come out in 2022, 2023, because that's all speculation. But right now, what's happening, and I think this is the main reason for the surge, they recently came out with news that they're going to be releasing some NFTs on the Binance Smart Chain. And with these NFTs, you're going to be able to get some customizable, not like mini NFTs that are cosmetic items, maybe something like a bracelet, necklace. I'm just guessing, but most likely what's going to be happening, what these can be used for. So if these do have surge in price, with because if you get an item that is really early in the game, it could be worth a lot later in the future. And they said that they're going to be releasing 40,000 NFTs, and each NFT is going to contain one. Every They're going to release 40,000 mystery baskets, and every basket is going to contain one NFT. And there is a chance at getting a super rare item, which might have an animal in it. So I do like the game, the potential that it has, and especially just the community. If it is based on Animal Crossing, that game just went crazy, especially during times when people are in lockdown and they just wanted to play some video games. So if it's something easy to play and it doesn't really have to focus on making money, I know that's what I usually focus on. If it's just a fun game to play with a possibility of making money, I think it can reach more people that are not really interested in cryptocurrencies. But it is a game that you can maybe make like a little side profit, maybe make it the side hustle, and maybe just earn a little bit of extra income. But we'll see what happens with this game. There is a land gameplay, but it's really not that much. So it's your boy, My Makes Money. Hopefully you enjoy this video, and peace.